Welcome to COVID Chat. Last week, we discussed different ways that pandemics end. If you haven't viewed it yet, I'd recommend watching that video first. This week, we are going to discuss what we can do to prepare and push this pandemic to an end. Now, this isn't going to be a quick fix, but these are efforts that will start to help make progress towards the end. As epidemiologist Caitlin Yetelina expresses, we need to strengthen our tools and use them wisely. We need to increase vaccine uptake and continue to increase our booster rate. Vaccines reduce transmission in many ways, but we cannot only rely on vaccines as our only tool. We need to continue to wear masks. Surgical masks reduce transmission by 56%, and N95s and KN95s reduce transmission up to 95%. There is zero evidence that masks harm the general population, but there is evidence that masks reduce transmission. We need to get better filtration systems. HEPA filters reduce transmission by 65%, which is equal to 2 windows open. We need to increase antigen testing and availability for antigen testing. Right now, every household can place an order for 4 free at-home antigen testing kits at covidtests.gov. Having these on hand will help you know when you have a COVID infection without having to go to your provider for a test. NCDHD also has antigen testing every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in O'Neill by appointment only. To register for this option, visit the NCDHD website and visit Total Wellness tab to make your appointment. Our final effort is communication. Understand the common signs and symptoms of a COVID infection. Know how long you should stay away from others if you feel sick. Know what you need to do if you've been in close contact with someone who has a confirmed case of COVID-19. Ask professionals questions when you do not know the answers. This pandemic will become an endemic eventually. No one knows exactly how long, but we do know these measures will continue to make progress towards the end.